Hello and welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel, and as promised, the answer key of your KCET 2026 paper is finally out, and I hope you have checked it. Now if you have not checked it, I will basically guide you how can you go through the answer key. And so first of all, you have to go to cetonline@karnataka.gov.in, and there you have to click on the admissions page and select UGCET 2026. Okay, and once you select UGCET 2026, basically you will be arriving at this page. So once you click here, you will arrive at this page, and here you will have 2026 answer keys for physics, for chemistry, for maths, for biology, for all 4 subjects you will have that. And so we have to click on this one of the links to download the corresponding answer key. So now once you download the answer key, it will come like this. So at top you will get the paper code. So go to your corresponding paper code. Suppose your paper code is A4. Go to A4. These are the question numbers and these are the solution for those questions. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They are the question numbers and corresponding answer. Answer 2 means option B, option D, like that. So basically this is the answer key for your particular paper. You have to have the paper with you and check the solutions, how many of them you are getting correct. And if you are not satisfied with your answer key, suppose some of the answer key you have, you are thinking that okay, I have done it correctly, somehow the answer key shared in the answer key sheet is wrong, I am correct, then what you have to do, you have till 30th of April to submit any objection. So the UGCET 2026 examination for physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology subjects were conducted on 23rd and 24th. The key answers for 16 versions of the said examination have been published on the authority's website for the information of the candidates. In case objections of the published answer keys, candidates may submit objections on the authority's website, cetonline.karnataka.gov.in/KEA, up to date 30th of April by 5 p.m. While submitting the objections, the paper details, examination date, version code, question number and supporting document should be submitted in PDF format. So you have to basically submit the solution of the question in PDF format. Suppose you you solve it manually, or you have some reference book from where you are taking the solution, or suppose there is a theoretical question which you feel that the theory the answer of this question is wrong, you can submit PDF of say NCERT textbook. So no matter whatever is your reference that you have to submit. If it is a numerical question, you have to solve it clearly and in a PDF format you have to upload it. Okay. The objection that do not mention the question number or version code or are unfounded will not be considered. So if you are not mentioning version code, question number, etc., the objection will not be considered. So very careful if you are raising any objections. You have to mention version code, subject key, etc., and answer key reviewed and decided by the subject expert committee will be final. So even if you submit the objection, may not be accepted. Whatever subject committee decides, that will be the final decision. Right now, if you are someone who have not done well in KCET and still willing to get admission in one of the top colleges of Karnataka, then definitely you should consider COMEDK course. That I know most of you have filled up the forms, and if you have still not joined our COMEDK 10 crash course, which has started already, so don't be late, join today. The link of COMEDK 10 crash course is given in the description, so don't play with your future. If you really interested in joining COMEDK 10 crash course, the price is only 1499, and you can see the results of our last year's COMEDK crash course students. So these are the all India exam. This is an all India based exam. So you will be competing against students from all over India. But one very important thing, that your board exam marks are not super important. Only if you score 45% marks, that is sufficient, right? And in this course, you will get live PYQs solved by us experts. Okay, I'll be taking physics, Karishma ma'am will be taking chemistry, and Jyoti ma'am will be taking maths. So all of the lectures will be live, along with all the previously recorded lectures will also be made available to you, so that if you want to study some of the theories that you are weak at, you can go and check that out as well, right? And along with that, you will get 5 full-length mock tests. You will get live doubt sessions as well, 100 most expected questions. Everything will be provided through COMEDK 10 crash course. So don't be late, join today and start learning now, right? I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye.